I'm sure there's gonna be like Shrek or like Guy Fieri or something like that. Sorry, Fieri, my bad. Hi, welcome to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate you taking the time out of your day to watch this video. And some of you just get mad at it, so that's kind of weird. But if you, I'm SB Mitch, you can do these things if you want, I guess. I don't really care anymore. But if you like what's going on here, then I do care. So thanks. If you don't care, then nah. Hi, pals. Ooh, that one kind of hurt. That was a little emotional. So you guys are used to me doing Soul Supremacy beater boxes, which is fine because Soul Supremacy does the best beater boxes, but it's also membership only and it's impossible to get a membership. So I like to get as many other boxes from other companies as often as possible to show you guys what is out there, because there's some good boxes out there. This box in particular I got from Dronkicks, who is someone I've gotten multiple boxes from before, and I'm always a fan of the boxes. Some of you might not be fans of the boxes because they're not quick flip, but that's the kind of stuff I like. So today's drone box cost, I don't know why I looked, it's not written on there, it's up in my noggin. This one cost $1,000 plus $40 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois for a grand total of $1,040. Boom, counter. It's gonna be letting you know how much each shoe is worth on the secondary market based on size, condition, and other various factors that affect the value of a shoe. Then we're gonna take the entire estimated market value of the box, put it up against how much I paid to see what the potential profit is in the breakdown. So let's open the box and see what's going on in here. You guys wanna check out the website, it's Dronkicks.com. It is a membership-based website, so it does cost money to actually get a box, but having that membership will pretty much guarantee that you get a box. And his boxes are good. And packing material, cannot complain about that. So this first pair is a size US 6.5 youth with no insole. It's an Air Max 720. I don't know what this colorway is called, but it's this big silver upper with this gigantic bubble outsole. I've heard these are crazy comfortable. It is a small size and there is no insole, so probably not much secondary market value in here. The bubble is painted. That's really weird. Why would you paint a bubble? 6.5 youth, Air Max 720. If you're interested in buying that pair or any of the other pairs in this box, hit up my website today, 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The website is sbmitch.com. Ooh, SENSB box, very cool. There's another shoe without a box. It is a size men's 8. This is an Air Jordan 8. I believe this is the 3-peat colorway. A lot of people think it's a Phoenix Suns kind of colorway, which is, you know, understandable because it's very Phoenix Suns looking. I'm not a huge fan of 8s. I don't really like 8s. This is one of the better looking colorways because it is kind of like actually color blocked, but it's worn, a little bit of wear on the bottoms. Really easy to clean up. So there you go, size 8, Jordan 8, 3-peat. 4 more left in here. Got a Jordan Trainer 1 Low in a size 9.5. So these are worn, but man, are they lightly worn. Holy cow. That's exactly what it is. It's the bread colorway. This is the model, the Trainer 1 Low that came out like, I want to say 2 or 3 years ago, but it's a newer model. It's definitely reminiscent of the Jordan 31, maybe? I don't know, I don't really know. It's a Jordan Trainer 1 Low in a size 9.5. It's a nice colorway. I'm sure the secondary market value is very low just because you could probably go to any outlet and get these still, so size 9.5. The size 11 Air Max 1 Premium. Oh boy, this is not a colorway I will be keeping. It is my size, but no thank you, because I am not a fan of red and black colorways. This is just like an all red suede with a black midsole and swoosh and stitching Air Max 1. It's used, a little bit of drag. Most of the nipples are gone. All leather liner. Nike Air is all on the insole. People love this colorway probably just because it's red and people like red. I don't know why, but I also have bad taste. So there you go, size 11, Air Max 1. I recognize this box because I used to have a pair. My pair is for sale, that's what I'm pretty much getting at. This is a collaboration with Leica Studios. The studios responsible for movies like Coraline, The Box Trolls, Kubo, and this movie, The Missing Link. This is the Air Max Susan in a size 11.5. We got ourselves a Deadstock pair too. Size 11.5, Air Max Susan. I am a fan of this colorway. I just never wore mine. I don't know why. It's not that it's a bad colorway. I don't match my clothing, so I understand that people that do that have a hard time matching with the shoe, but I just think it's so fun. Like, it takes aspects of the lead character, who's supposed to be a Sasquatch or a wood ape, and they call them Susan. So this is a very cool shoe. I really like this shoe. It's a dead stock pair and it's a size 11.5, so you cannot complain about that. So boom, very cool. That was a tough decision for me to give up my Susans. This last pair is here because it's Nike SB. It is a Dunk Low Pro Quick Strike in an 11.5, which is my size. So I doubt I'll be keeping these whatever they are, but looks like a newer pair. Yep, it's a newer pair, all right. And it's a dead stock pair, which I can definitely get down with. This is a release that came out to honor the passing of one of the staples at Nike SB, Sandy Bodecker. This is the tie-dye ray guns. The ray gun is one of the more popular colorways and one of the more classic colorways of the Nike SB Dunk Low Pro, but they put SB with 58 for either SB or Sandy Bodecker. He was famously known for wearing tie-dye hoodies all the time. But this is a dead stock pair. Lace bag still attached. Size 11.5, great size. Quality on these is actually really, really good, so cannot complain about that. And also just the timing, Nike Dunk SBs are just super, super hot right now. So there's your last shoe, a dead stock pair of ray guns, white ray guns, tie-dye ray guns. Very cool, awesome. And that is your $1,000 drone box. Yeah, those last two pairs, those are probably a really good chunk of this entire box. But let's take a look and see what kind of value we got here in the breakdown thing. Pretty solid box if you ask me. I'm liking the fact that the two more expensive shoes in here are both dead stock, so that helps. You have to have patience. You have to know what you're doing. You can't just expect to list them and sell them right away. You have to put some work into it. So check it out, Dronkicks.com. Membership is either $35 a month or $350 for an entire year. Super worth it if you're into getting mystery boxes and just, you know, there's always some profit in here. So thanks for taking the time to watch the video. I appreciate it. So many boxes to unbox here on this channel. Yeah, so if you want to do this, want to see more, then come back. If you don't, that's cool too. Hey, have a great rest of your weekend. Thanks for taking the time. I appreciate it. Remember to take care of each other and make it fun, because sneakers are supposed to be fun. Bye.